So I'm just sitting here thinking. Uh, I guess it's not good for character. But y'all know how I'm feeling now. And I'm just sitting here thinking while I'm doing this conditional acceptance on this corporation. I'm feeling good about writing it, and I just had this thought I just wanted to share while I'm in the midst of writing this letter. So I'm outside at the moment because I feel like I do way better outside now. The frequency on Earth is beautiful. I had to move because I was showing my address and not trying to let that go out. I already got some information out there. But yeah, like I was saying, the frequency is definitely high right now, so I actually moved in some grass as well. So, and more in the sun now. It rained a little bit earlier, so that's why I'm out here. The better part about this is just, man, they got flies that fly around this section right now. This is my little nature spot. I almost forgot to tell y'all the thought I had. But yeah, as I start to get more outside, man, you start to think like how dogs are normally outside. You know, their foot is in grass and they receiving this energy from Earth directly. Like we don't really be outside. Like talking about like my sister brought up just a little minute ago. She was like, didn't mama used to tell you not to come outside with no shoes on? So yeah, that kind of made me think about that. Like, I'm outside in nature. Like, we all don't be outside no more. Like, you think it's too hot? No, bro. Like this, you supposed to be outside. People be like, about dogs. Dogs, you know, always feel a certain frequency. So as I was editing, that whole time, it was that whole time it was silent. When y'all ain't hear me talking, y'all just see my lips moving. I got 2 phone calls. So what I was saying was, dogs feel certain frequencies that that we don't feel. And y'all always wonder, like, you know, dogs can sense this, dogs can sense that, because they always outside. They got their foot in grass, bro. You got to come outside and get your foot in grass. Like, I'm sorry I'm coming aggressive because this is aggravating me because I got silent that whole time when I was started talking. So they gonna understand. And so yeah, that's what I was talking about.